ClearTV Smart Ward Management Platform is based on B/S architecture and can be logged in on any browser without installing software on the computer. After the administrator enters the account and password, he can enter the operation interface. All operations and hospital information management input follows the principle of large to small logic. On the hospital management page, enter the basic information about the hospital, such as the hospital's name, logo, motto, and introduction first. And then edit and manage wards, hospital departments, and finally hospitalized patient information. On the ward area management page, click Add Ward. Enter the ward ID, name, and floor. The rest of the information can be selected in the drop-down list after the organization management information is completed. On the room management page, click Add Room. Enter the room ID, name, number of beds, ward, and floor. The ward area can be selected in the drop-down list. On the bed management page, click Add Bed. Enter the bed ID, bed name, ward, room, and floor. You can successfully add a bed to the ward under the ward. All beds can be added according to the number of beds set in the ward. All beds can be checked in the inpatient overall under the patient management. On the nurse station management page, edit the information of different nurse stations according to the number of nurse stations in different wards to facilitate subsequent equipment configuration. The organizational management involves entering information about hospital departments and employees. Click Add Department, enter department ID, department name, and other information. Click Add Employee, and enter the employee's basic information, detailed information, work information, and position information. You can select the department to which the employee belongs and the ward he is responsible for in the work information. After completing the employee information entry, you can select the head nurse in the ward management interface. Regarding the management of hospitalized patients, when not connected to HIS, it supports the information entry and editing operations of new patients entering the current ward. After selecting a ward, all beds in the ward can be displayed. Click Admission, and all basic information about hospitalized patients can be entered here. The nursing level can also be selected here. After the patient information of the bed is entered, you can click Edit, Select, and adjust the nursing label. If it involves a patient bed change, you can also directly click on this interface to select the bed number to be changed. If the patient is discharged, click Discharge to release the bed. All the call records can be checked and exported on the statistics page. It can be exported by category, such as bathroom alarm, nursing location, etc. On the device binding page, it can be used to add devices and modify basic device information and corresponding configurations. Click Add Device to pop up the Add Device pop-up window and fill in the relevant information. All device binding will be done during the project implementation phase. On the Authority Management page, User Management can be used to add users, view, search, and edit already added users. Click Add User to fill in the relevant information and manage the role permissions and status for the current user. The user's jurisdiction is data permission, and the user can only operate on the ward under his jurisdiction. On the Role Management page, the new role can be added. Role permissions are functional permissions that can achieve button-level permission control. After completing the role information and choosing the permission, you can select the role in the user interface. Different roles have different permissions, which clarifies the management rights of different medical staff. On the nursing setting page, it can be used to configure the color of the nursing level and the color of the newly admitted patient. These can be selected in the inpatient information. It will be shown on the bedside tablet. On the Label Classify page, the care label header that can be used on the bedside screen defines the color and background color. On the Label Setting page, click Add Label to add new care labels belonging to one of the Label Classify to enrich the content of care labels. These can be selected in the inpatient information. It will be shown on the bedside tablet. ClearTV Smart Ward Management Platform provides hospitals with real-time monitoring, convenient management, data analysis, and optimization management platform.